Hi, dear students. How are you all? Hope all are well. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the excretion in plants. Excretion in plants. Excretion in plants is much simpler than that of animals. Plants do not have a special organs like a human being's kind kidney. So kidneys are the excretory organs. So like a plants do not have any kind of specialized organs to remove the waste materials. Gases excretory materials are the eliminated by the diffusion through the stomata. So now we have excretory process takes place through the osmosis. So plants they're going to excrete through the diffusion process. So through their stomata. You already know that some kinds of material excreted like a carbon dioxide is excreted in the process of photosynthesis, respiration. Oxygen is excreted in the process of photosynthesis. Like that, these are also excretory materials of the plants. Yeah. Now here it will be excrete. Gases like excretory materials will be excreted through the diffusion process in the part of stomata. Many of the plants eliminated waste materials by its accumulation of waste in the vacuoles of the aging the leaves. Aging means removal of leaves from the plants. I mean, the leaf is removed from the plant. That is aging of leaf. These leaves will eventually die and fall off, removing waste in the process. In some plants, waste products are stored as resins and gums and the older stems. Have you ever noticed a sticky, milky, or oily substances oozing out from the bark of trees? These are excretory products stored in the old xylem. Actually, plants have two types of waste materials like we call as a secondary metabolitics. Secondary metabolitics means like gums, resins, latex. These are all are the excretory materials, but these are all the secondary metabolitics. Majorly, plant excrete the materials like gases to excrete through the stomata, but some kind of secondary metabolitics. So like this, plants also excrete some water substances into the soil, so around them. So it will be excrete some kind of materials into the soil only, like a nitrogenous waste materials. After it will be die, the nitrogenous materials also absorbed to the soil. In some plant waste, in the form of calcium oxalate crystals called the raphids. Actually, these raphids, uh, calcium oxalate crystals, we call as a graphite. These are needle shaped, therefore hurt and cause itching. Itching. For example, colocasia leaves. Colocasia is a type of plant. Colocasia leaves and the outer skin of the onion. See how they are. Some plants waste are the very useful to human beings such as rubber, latex, gum, resins. So and the essential oils. So like a eucalyptus and the sandalwood oil, etc. These are all of the useful materials to the human beings. Okay, of course, uh, we need the useful of the rubber, latex also useful, gums, resins, all are the useful materials to the human beings. These are all products we call as a secondary metabolitic. Rubber latex is used to produce the glasses, not only glasses and different kinds, ties, etc. The hard transparent resins are principally used for the varnishes. and the adhesives, varnishes and the adhesives, while the softer resins and gums resins containing essential oils are more largely used for the therapeutic purposes and the ingest. Right? Yeah, this is regarding excretion in plants. So read well, observe the video carefully. Clear? Thank you, dear students. Be safe.